Here's how you fix Davinci Resolve causing your CPU usage to be 100% usage while rendering and exporting your videos. The short and quick answer is that the free version of Davinci Resolve can only use your CPU as the renderer for when you're exporting your videos. The free version does use your GPU when you're editing your videos and scrolling through the timeline, but this is only half the battle. So in order to fix this, we need to purchase the studio version of Davinci Resolve. And I can confirm that by doing this, it allowed me to choose my GPU as the renderer device when exporting my videos. Not only did it give me better render times, it also got my CPU usage down to 15 to 20%. Showing you how to buy the studio version will be for a separate video, but once you have the studio version of Davinci Resolve, you can go to your preference settings, then select memory and GPU, and here you can see by default it has the GPU processing mode set to auto, and it's using CUDA, which you'll see CUDA if you have an NVIDIA graphics card like mine. So really you don't have to mess with these settings to get it to use your GPU for exporting and rendering. In order to get your GPU to be used for exporting and rendering, you need to go down to your Delivery tab. Then under your encoder settings, change that from native to NVIDIA, or MSI if you have MSI. And that's all you have to do to get your GPU to be the rendering device that exports your videos. I am ReaperDigital. I hope this video helps, and thank you all for watching.